Tim Hortons ngayon, isang dosena eh $15 na. Wala man ako nakitang tax. But see how inflation is now. About a year or 6 months ago, a couple months ago, it's just $9.99. Yeah, boy. So, $5 ang tinaas. Tsaka I guess tumaas din yung minimum wage kasi dito sa British Columbia, 17.10 nata or 17.35 cents per hour. So, yun, mini-make up nila yun. Yung kanilang 17.35 per hour pambayad sa mga empleyado. Ayan. So, start natin tong kotse. Tagal lang hindi na-start. May titingin. Oh, tulas. May titingin mamaya. Start. Tagal hindi na-start eh. Gas pa naman. Daka na frozen yung oil. 1 month ata. Ayun, natin. Warm up natin. Para saka yung charge yung battery niya. Para one click mamaya pagka titignan ng prospective buyer. Yan. Inisan natin yung tulas eh. Mali ako. Inisan natin yung windshield. Hindi naman basta-basta matunaw yan. Nalinisan. Tulungan dito. Ganda ng makina nito. Parang ano to, Taurus. Ford Taurus. Parang ano lang siya, SUV. All-wheel drive siya. Maano na natin to. Nag-get rid of na. Been sitting here for a month and a half now, I think. Yan. Naka-post lang sa ano, FB Marketplace kasi yung ano na ata, KGG hindi na may bayad na ata. Dati nakapag-post pa ako dun eh. Mabilis ang benta pagka parehong sa KGG tsaka sa FB Marketplace nakapost. Ngayon eh mahirapan eh. So GoPro, stop recording. Alright, sana mabenta na no, para malis na sa ano natin, sa parking dito. Kailangan natin ng space eh. Siyempre for more benta siguro. Kaya kailangan iyan ko na rin itong mga dispatch ako na rin itong mga lumang car no. Magano tayo, mag minimalist. Ayan. After natin na binoost, pina-warm up natin ng more than half an hour, ayaw pa rin mag-start pagka hindi binuboost. So ibig sabihin ano na yung battery no, hindi na ata maganda o dahil sa malamig lang. Yeah, baka bigyan natin ng off na $100 for battery. So
a few hours later,
yeah, we sold it. That's a Syrian refugee. I said it's gonna be a good deal for them. Yeah. Drop ko yung pera. Walang tao eh, but we'll see. Nag-leave na ako ng message eh. Hello. Doorbell tayo. Lamig. Lahat ng tao. Ano na lang, meet na lang natin sa ibang araw, sa ibang oras. Lamig. Punta na lang si pare na pick upin na lang dito. Nasa church pa pala sila. Ano ngayon, Sunday.
The next day.
Happy Monday mga kabayan. Dito na naman tayo sa trabaho sa Canada. Ayan, dami nangyayari ngayon, no? January 20th 2025, first day ng inauguration ni Trump. At we'll see what happens. Yung sinasabi niyang 25% tariff, sinasabi lang naman niya yun para ayusin ng Canada yung border for illegal drugs coming in and illegal migrants coming into the US, right? So it's not as bad as Mexico, the illegal drugs coming in from Mexico to US, but yun ang pinagkukumpara ni
In 400 meters,
Trump, right?
continue straight to
Otherwise,
St. Queensway.
he's gonna use economic force, he said. So, and then you know what the response of Justin Trudeau is? We're gonna fight tariff with tariff. He's not even a prime minister anymore, and he's still trying to show off
British
to
Columbia
Trump.
97 South Ramp.
You know, showing teeth for teeth or eye for eye, parang ganun. He's doing damage to Canada, Justin Trudeau, I think, right? That's my opinion, and we're in a free speech, so yan ang realidad dito sa
Before we come back on the line, please remain
Canada.
holding. We'll be with you momentarily.
You call a doctor, they put you on hold for more than 15 minutes. Paano kung yung cell minutes mo is not unlimited, right? So yeah, it's been a while. It's driving 11 minutes.
At Hoyt Medical Clinic, we realize your time is valuable, and that's why we're doing everything we
That's
can to turn
the
your
free
call as
healthcare for
quickly
you
as
in
possible.
Canada.
Thank you for your patience.
My goodness. Hello mga kabayan. Naghintay tayo sa WestJet ng naka-hold lang 22 minutes.
For your patience.
Grabe.
Our agents are working quickly to get to your call.
Nag-book ako sa
Instead
ano,
of waiting on hold, we'd like to
sa
offer
Vegas
you
sa
the
April.
option to request a callback.
And,
If you'd like to request a callback, please press 1
Yan,
or visit westjet.com.
nagkamali ako ng second name ng aking esposa.
To continue holding, please stay on the line.
Kailangan ko i-modify. Sa app naman hindi ma-modify, kaya tumawag ako. Hintayin natin.
All our agents are currently
Ay, dito sa downtown, may ano raw dito eh, na tawag nito, nasunog na building. Tingnan ko dito banda yun, George. Ano po dito eh? Ayan na, sunog na, sira na naman. Ito sa kabila, ano na lang, nasunog kabila. Yung kabila naman. Wow. Grabe. Yan kung insurance kami. Second day of Trump's presidency. Ano na ngayon? January 22. I've been seeing a lot of blogs regarding the tariff news. 25% tariffs. So we'll get ready for that February 1st. One thing, Daniel Smith had saved Canada, yung premier ng Alberta, kasi siya lang yung ayun hindi ko lang din malaman kasi ito si Trudeau, being a weak leader, lalo niyang na sense ni Trump na weak nga dahil tinotroll siya as a governor. Ayan. So wala siyang respeto kay Trudeau, no, si Trump. Dahil doon nagka watak-watak itong mga ang Canada dahil sa leadership niya. he's not being a true leader. He's an actor, right? He's a drama teacher. So yun ang kanyang forte. He's not really doing anything good sa Canada. My opinion, no, kailangan na talaga ng Canada ang real leader. Like, I'm not endorsing anybody, right? But I can see na si Poilievre nga ang popular nowadays. I don't think Mark Carney is gonna be the right guy. He's probably gonna be a prime minister for just a little while, kapalit ni Trudeau, until the election. Siya yung ipupurso nila ang si Mark Carney, but or Freeland, or Chrystia Freeland, na naging journalist turned finance minister, na journalist, wala naman siyang finance background, kaya naging ganito ang ano ng Canada, no, ang lagay ng Canada sa deficit, sa utang. So anyways, I hope si Poilievre ang manalo. I think he's gonna be a good leader for Canada. And there's another guy too, Jagmeet Singh, but he's spreading like lies na sabi niya Elon Musk said or Elon Musk and Poilievre daw is tuta daw ni Elon Musk, billionaire Elon Musk si Poilievre, which is not true, right? It's just making up stories. So, but I mean, he's always saying, you know, he's fighting for the Canadian workers, but you know, Canadian workers do exist because of the business owners, right? So it's supposed to be a win-win. It's not supposed to be just a one-sided fight for Canadian workers. It has to be a win-win for both businesses and Canadian workers, right? Which I think Poilievre will do the right job for it, right? So we're gonna go and change oil for this 2005 Honda CR-V. Yan, oh, 15 minutes lang oil change, filter tsaka oil change. Maliit lang na oil filter yun.